Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I will be talking about FOMO baby. Now this cryptocurrency has been making extremely big moves, up almost 16,000%. Now let's dive into some details, guys. So this cryptocurrency obviously has been moving. Look at how small it is. It has started out and to how massive it is right now. It is not even close to a penny. So how can you guys get involved with this? So for me, I cannot find a way to trade it, but there's a way to HODL it, and that's the only way I can find it. I do prefer trading cryptocurrencies over HODLing, but for this, guys, this is such a beginning cryptocurrency that if I was gonna get into it, it would be only HODLing, and I would be placing staggered buys. So I talked about that in multiple of my other videos, but for this one, guys, we start moving a little bit over here. Let's hit the 1 month over here. For me, guys, if I was going to get into this coin and I'm going to HODL it, I would just buy on a weekly basis, payment period. Figure out a way that what you stagger your payments are. So if you get paid weekly, buy some weekly if you want to. Buy some based on a certain period of time, so you remove the emotional aspect of it and get more onto the strategy based. So when it comes to what I feel the price can go to, I mean, this thing is so cheap now, maybe we can shoot for 1 penny, and 1 penny is a huge gain when it comes to this. So that's my price prediction. The way I would attack this would just be scheduled buying. But I want to get you guys to know more about this crypto, because this is the first time I saw it. It was on the news, on the front page, saying one of the most biggest movers, almost 1,600% in growth. That's insane. Well, let's check out their website, guys. What is FOMO baby? So FOMO baby released a token. FOMO baby is a deflationary rebasing token with an automated liquidity feature, staking options, NFTs, and lottery draws. Our rebasing feature is mathematically structured to increase the price, which will cause the charts to constantly stay green. Okay, so that's what FOMO baby is. Here's their website, FOMObaby.app. Check out their stuff, learn more about it, be involved. So I'm not giving you guys advice, I'm saying what I am doing. I like cryptocurrencies, I like altcoins. Stuff like this is quite insane. I wish I knew about it a little bit earlier. I bet you wish you knew about it earlier. But let's jump onto my website, guys. Here's my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. If you want to find out more about indicators, cryptocurrency news, some of the top cryptocurrencies, you can scroll down through the pages. What's happening with some Forex stuff. Or if you want to learn more about gold and silver, some stocks, MetaTrader, or some amazing indicators that I've personally back tested myself. And ones you can just upload for MetaTrader 4 and 5. You can just check these out. But that's the video, guys. Thank you for making it to the end. I hope FOMO baby does good for you, as it done for the guys in the beginning. But thank you.